Hi guys, today I'm back with a new mold to test out. Now this one here is a little ornamental bottle with a little cap. So I've mixed up some epoxy resin and I've added a glitter called Rose Gold. It's an ultra fine glitter and it looks like this. And I'm just going to fill up the mold and we'll see what it turns out like. Now this one, the little cap's a little bit more fiddlier, so I've just got a little tiny container here. Because if you've watched me before, I am notorious with making messes. Perfect. I will let those sit for a few minutes and then I will grab my little heat tool here and pop any bubbles that appear. And I will let those cure for at least 24 hours and I'll be back for the unmolding. Okay guys, it has been 24 hours. So we'll see if we can get these out of the mold. So that's a little stopper. It's got a little hole in there. And that glitter is super sparkly, super nice. Now this one, let's see if it comes out just as easy as the stopper did. Not too bad, so far so good. And look at that. How cute is that? So nice. And there's the stopper inside. Look at that. That is so unique and really pretty. Well, if you're looking for a different mold, give this one a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.